Hello everyone, welcome back to the JDCodebase. This is the web development series. In the previous video, we learned what the DOM is and how to select elements from the web page. Now, in this video, we are going to do the most important and practical part, DOM manipulation. This means we will actually change text, change styles, add elements, remove element using the JavaScript. If you are a complete beginner, don't worry, I will explain everything slowly, step by step with live coding. Also, this video is very important because real website work like this only. So let's start. Here we will not just talk theory, we will actually see changes on the web page using the JavaScript. Now, in this video, you will learn how to change text and HTML content using the JavaScript. You will understand the difference between the inner HTML and text content, which confuses many beginners also. We will also change CSS style using the JavaScript, work with the class list, handle HTML attributes, create new elements and remove elements. By the end of this video, you will clearly understand how JavaScript controls the web page. So first, what exactly is DOM manipulation? DOM manipulation simply means changing the web page using the JavaScript. JavaScript can change the text styles, add or remove element, respond to user action like button clicks. This is used everywhere in forms, buttons, UI updates, and even in big application like Instagram or YouTube. Now let's move to VS Code and see. So I already have simple HTML file ready. So this is a basic structure having the heading tag, paragraph tag, button, and descriptor tag. So and our JavaScript written in this script tag. So first let's learn how to change text inside element. So in this, let heading is equal to document dot get element by ID, and ID is the title here, this ID, and this document dot get element I already taught you in the previous video. So now heading dot text content equal to welcome to DOM manipulation. So first we select the element using the its ID. Then we use the text content to change the text. And now first see the basic structure. This is the hello world, this is paragraph, and a click me button. Now when I uncomment this, now see welcome to DOM manipulation, this is paragraph and click me. So you can see the heading text has changed here. This is the simplest example of DOM manipulation by using the JavaScript. Now difference between the inner HTML and the text element. So this part is very important because text content change only the text. Inner HTML can change text with the HTML tags, like in a line you want to make the text as a bold or italic, we can use the inner HTML for that. But in the text content, just write the simple text, normal string. So let's show you. So like here we already see the text content. So let para equal to document dot query selector and by dot text. By using this, I am selecting this is a paragraph. So now para dot inner HTML equal to this is a bold tag, bold text. Now let's see. So if you see, this is a bold text, and this bold is also bold, means in the B tag. So here I'm using the dot inner HTML, so the B tag actually works here. Now if I use the dot text content, so let's see, para dot text content equal to this is a bold text. Let's see. So if you see here, you will see the tags printed as a text, normal text. So important beginner tips is the use text content when possible. Use inner text, inner HTML only when you really need HTML. Now we can also change the style using the JavaScript. Right? Let me comment this. So I'm changing the heading color. Heading dot style dot color equal to blue. So let's see. Yes, it's blue. So why I'm writing this? Because heading is a type of object. Like if I write heading here, and let's move to console, F9 plus F12, and if you see here, yes, if you see, this is like a object. It has many key value pairs like attributes, children, class list, and class name, the data set, first child, last child, next sibling, and style also. Where is style? Yes, this is style. And so this is the, and we can apply anything, animation, direction, or border black, means whatever you want. So that's why first this is a object, then this is style is another object, nested object. Inside this we have a color property, and we are giving this blue in this heading. And we can also give the heading dot style dot background color is the light gray. Let's say color is the light gray, and heading dot style dot padding, let's say 10 pixel. So let's see. If you see, the background color is the light gray and the padding is also apply on this 10 pixel. So here we are changing the inline style on this heading. CSS property background in normal we write CSS, how we write style and background color in this by using this hyphen, but in the JavaScript we have to write in the camel case, means first one is the smaller, and second is the uppercase letter. Now this is useful, but we should not overuse this inline this inline styling, and that's why we use the class list here. Class list means yes, this is the class list. Class list is better way to handle styles. Like I add styles here, style, in this I added dot active, and inside this I write color is the white, and background color is the, let's say, green, and padding is the 10 pixel. Now let's apply this style by using this JavaScript. In this we have to just let heading dot class list, and inside this dot add this class active. Now let's see. Okay, I have to first comment this, means first remove this, then it apply this active class on this. So if you see, green background, white text, 10 pixel padding, green background, white text, 10 pixel padding. So now this class is applied, and we can also remove it by just writing heading dot class list dot remove, and give the class here active. So here just let's see, it's remove and normally text come. So or we can also apply like on toggle, heading dot class list dot toggle, and apply this active. So if you see, so this is very useful for dark mode, menus and button. Like when I click on this dark mode, so the background becomes the black and the white color become the white, text color become the white. So just apply, click on this button and handle this with JavaScript. Now we can also work with the attributes. Attributes are things like source, hyper reference, ID, value, disabled, or so let's like CA value. Sorry, here let me write a input. In input type is text, ID is the name input. So first catch this input equal to document dot get element by ID, and here ID is the name input, and I am setting the placeholder in this. We can also set by using this JavaScript input dot set attribute. Qualified name means the placeholder, and the value is the enter your name. So let me comment this first and see, this is 01 means no anything apply here. So when I uncomment this, so now enter your name, this placeholder is applied here. Now we can also remove this attribute just by writing this input dot remove attribute placeholder. If you see here, this at placeholder is removed from this. And we can also create the element dynamically, means we can create button, list item, cards, messages, everything. So for that, so this is one of the most powerful feature of this DOM manipulation. JavaScript can create element by itself. Like I want to create a new para. That new para equal to document dot create element. This time we write create element, and I want to create a paragraph tag. For that I just write P, and if you want to make the heading tag, just write H1, H2, H3, or div tag div, just write div here. Now new para dot text content equal to this paragraph is created using JavaScript. So yes, why not? Okay, I have to append this also. Now document dot body dot append child new para. So now it's show this para is created using the JavaScript. First we create the element, means we create the document dot create element paragraph. If I write here h1, then it makes the h1 tag. If I make the h6, then it treat as the small heading. It's on up to you, means how you want to create. And then we add the text into this. This paragraph is created using the JavaScript. If I want to make inner HTML, and just apply here, means bold, this JS, and this also italic. So let's see, and make this H1. So if you see, this is bold and also italic. Yes, and then we attach it to a page by using the document dot body dot append child and new para. This is used in the to do apps, like when we make a to do app, means make a new to do, and then we just append the new child, comments, messages, and more. Now we can also remove elements by just writing like here new para dot remove. Just simple this one line, and this will remove the element from the DOM completely. Now let's see the let's apply on this button. We can add the event on this. Let button equal to document dot get element by id, and here id is the btn. And now let's apply button dot add event listener on click. It on click a function called function is the, let's say, heading dot text content becomes the button click, and heading dot class list dot toggle is the active. So let me first make them comment, and let's see. If you see, there is no nothing, just a raw HTML. When I click on this, click me, and this text change into button click, and this active class also apply on this heading hello, this h1 tag. So when the button is clicked, text change first, means this heading dot text button click, then class toggles work here, means it active, means apply this CSS, then UI update in last. This is how real website works. Now some common mistakes beginner always select element first. Like here I write the heading document.get element by id, document.query selector, document.get element by id import. Means always select the first any element, and don't overuse inner HTML. It makes the code buggy and confuse you. Prefer class list over inline style, and keep your code clean and readable. Practice in the browser console always. Now let's summarize these. These are some best practices. Prefer class list over inline, avoid unnecessary inline HTML. So let's summarize this. Today we learn how to manipulate the DOM using the JavaScript. We change the text styles, attributes, create the element, remove element. This is the foundation of front-end development. If you understand this video, give it a like. If you do not understand something, comment below. I will reply. And PPT and code files are available in the video description. Subscribe to channel for the next video in the web development series. Thank you for watching. I will see you in the next video.